Founded in 1932 as a local repair facility in Greater Grand Rapids, Michigan, Weller has grown to become the largest remanufacturer of heavy-duty truck transmissions and differentials in the United States. Making customers successful by maximizing vehicle uptime is the priority of every Weller employee. Weller can help you grow your business and improve customer satisfaction by leveraging our commitment to quality, availability, responsiveness, truck expertise, and customer service. We are driven by your needs, ensuring a successful partnership over the long haul. At Weller, we put a lot into each unit before our name goes on. Our knowledge and resources allow us to supply a comprehensive selection of driveline product offerings. We are a one-stop shop. Our extensive product offering is continually expanding. New models and product lines are added to keep even the newest vehicles up and running. Weller provides the highest quality driveline products by combining robust manufacturing systems, expert product design, the best parts, rigorous testing, and the best team in the industry to ensure performance, quality, and customer satisfaction. Utilizing over 300,000 square feet dedicated to remanufacturing production, Weller's highly integrated system drives quality, speed, selection, and flexibility. Our production process leverages advanced manufacturing, integrated computer systems, expert rebuilder knowledge, and quality controls to consistently deliver the best products. This ensures that Weller units are built to our exact specifications time after time. The production cells are linked to our nationwide distribution network, providing flexible real-time order management for fast fulfillment and delivery. Our commitment to quality and performance at Weller is seen in the parts that we use to remanufacture our units. We incorporate the newest remanufacturing strategies, utilizing new parts in critical failure areas and retaining recovered parts, resulting in the industry's highest system integrity. No matter which Weller product you choose, the new gears, bearings, synchronizers, hoses, fittings, brackets, O-rings, and seals help define Weller builds quality. As an authorized Allison dealer in Grand Rapids, Michigan, we use only genuine Allison parts on Allison automatic transmissions. We incorporate the latest design and software updates into our extensive Allison product offering. All Weller units go through a rigorous inspection and testing process to ensure a defect-free unit ready for thousands of hours of reliable service. We use the newest dynamometers with integrated control systems to thoroughly test each unit. At Weller, we reduce customer downtime by having the right units available when you need them. We stock over 15,000 remanufactured transmissions, differentials, and steering gears. We leverage our growing nationwide network of over 21 company-owned distribution centers with dedicated local employees offering expert advice, ordering, extensive inventory, quick delivery, and easy core pickup and return. Partnering with Weller means that you have coast-to-coast coverage that ensures you the support of a nationwide warranty. Our local and regional inventory, supported by production in Grand Rapids, allows us to meet our same-day, next-day delivery goal. Every day, Weller rolls out over 150 trucks to quickly deliver products, reducing customer downtime. Whether it's technical support, delivery, warranty, or core returns, Weller is easy to do business with. Fast core credits and detailed warranty reports combined with a customer-focused Weller business team allows you to focus on your customers. Choosing Weller means that you have a partner for growth. Our portfolio of the highest quality differentials, transmissions, and steering gears is readily available to keep your customers' trucks moving. Partnering with Weller can help you win, retain, and grow satisfied customers. Weller has always been focused on making your job easier. Helping our customers succeed has allowed us to grow and expand our nationwide network of Weller distribution centers. Weller is passionate people building the best driveline components dedicated to the best customer experience. We are always looking down the road to meet whatever challenges lie ahead and continue to focus on a simple mission: to help keep the wheels turning.